Imagine entering a meeting room unsure if everything will work. Now picture the confidence of a space perfectly equipped for hybrid meetings, connecting everyone smoothly. Setting up Teams rooms makes this possible. Let's walk through it, step by step. First, choose a certified Teams Rooms device, like a Smart Touch console or a dedicated Teams panel. Connect it to the room's display, cameras, microphones, and speakers. Make sure cables are secure. Next, power on the device. As it boots, you'll see the familiar Teams interface. Select your language and sign in using your organization's Teams account. Link the device to your company's network. Now, configure Teams room settings from the console. Set time zone, update software, and add the room's calendar. Double-check camera and audio settings for optimal coverage. Invite remote participants using a Teams meeting invite, making the room itself a participant. With one tap, join the call, displaying everyone on the big screen and activating high-quality sound. If something goes wrong, no sound, people can't see, or the room won't connect, restart the device and check connections. Visit the Teams Admin Center online for device health and updates. For best results, schedule regular checks, keep firmware up to date, and share quick start guides near the console. With Teams Rooms set up, every meeting becomes clear, connected, and collaborative.